जन्मोजन्मी दास व्हावे हेची माझी आस. पंढरीचा वारकरी वारी चुकोनेदी हरी. संत समागम अंगी स्थिरावले प्रेम. स्नान चंद्रभागे तुका म्हणे हेची मागे.
With devotion in their hearts, a humble Varkari and his family, taking a break from farming, packs all the essentials in a single ghongadi for a 21-day long journey. Dressed in cotton sadra and dhoti with a khadi topi, and his wife in a cotton sari along with family, to join the 800-year-old living tradition of Pandharpur Wari. The Varkaris are devotees of Lord Vitthal, a collective of villagers, laypersons, farmers, families, and individual devotees from all walks of life. It is a compelling symbol of simple living, inclusiveness, and equality through devotion. Even today, in the month of June, Wari starts from the Sant Gyaneshwar Maharaj community at Alandi and the Sant Tukaram Maharaj community at Dehu, and ends at Pandharpur, the town of deities, Vitthal and Rakhumai. As hard to believe it might be, the Vakri walk the whole stretch of 250 kilometers by foot. More than 8 lakhs Vakri voluntarily complete this pilgrimage every year. The roads to Pandharpur are filled with their flags and devotion. Governments, managing bodies, mutt of saints and police forces are involved in planning and managing the entire pilgrimage. The event is well planned and executed along with toilets, temporary staying facilities and food stalls at every stop. Mauli is another name for Sant Gyaneshwar. Varkari refer to each other as Mauli. They believe Mauli resides in each and every one of us. The Pandharpur Wari is emblematic of human rights, social equity, inclusivity, gender equality, and breaking orthodox customs and superstitions that denied religious rituals to lower castes and women. A unique feature of the Wari is Ringan, held at different pause points along the way. Ringan of Tal is a spiral circular formation where Varkaris play various traditional musical instruments, a divine sight to witness. The Mauli Ashva is a ringan of horses, where 2 horses participate, one with a rider and one without. The horse without a rider wins, believed to be ridden by Sant Gyaneshwar. A program of Veenekaris is also seen along the course of the Wari, where they play the veena accompanying abhangas of the Bhakti Sen. A mesmerizing feeling is radiated by the Varkaris as they go from village to village. Every little house in the village and all family members help them with whatever they may need. The grounds and open farmlands of the village turn into divine spaces to host the Ringan. In return, the Varkaris help by cleaning the village grounds and roads. More than 800,000 Varkaris complete this pilgrimage every year. Governments, managing bodies, mutts, and police forces aid and assist in planning and managing the entire pilgrimage. The event is well planned and executed, with temporal shelters, toilets, staying facilities, and food stalls at every stop. Where most pilgrimages are about reaching the destination to attain salvation, the Pandharpur Wari is about the journey itself. The very act of the journey is an act of devotion. Going to the temple is not mandatory. Most Varkaris return without even entering the Vitthal temple. The community believe completing one's responsibility to their family, work, village, country, environment is dharma. And Vitthal provides them with what they may need without even asking for it. That is the reason why they take the blessings of each other after completing the Vari and the blessings of their gurus, teachers, and saints.
Hare Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hare Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hare Jai Jai Ram Krishna